turn the music off? Nah. It's gonna be on the video.
Hey, little man. Is that some good food?
Hey, now that we have the camera, you want to eat your bib, huh?
He's just anxious to eat, that's all.
Here.
That's the yummy food.
This is his first feeding.
That's the yummy food.
And it's October 26th, 2008. Hey, Tommy.
Hey.
He's probably full now, because he ate like half of it. Stupid music's gonna be on the video. Here, baby. Baby. Baby.
Yummy.
Yo.
You eat your food, young man. You better eat your food.
Play this. Get your hands out of your mouth. Okay, look up. Look up.
Oh. That's the yummy food all over your face.
You're doing a good
all over
job.
your face.
He's doing not very messy for his first feeding.
Yeah. That's the good food. That's the good food right there.
See what all this iron will do to your poop. Oh, he loves it. I guess he's ready to eat big food. Here, don't let him fall.